where he goes like a... Some little trills. Hey guys, what's up? So someone just sent me this. It's called Blaze Foley Election Day. I'd never heard of this guy before, but I checked out the song and it's like a really, really cool, simple boom chuck song that I thought we could just kind of go over. I've got a few minutes here in between some of my private lessons, and let's just check it out. So I've already got it queued up here. We're just gonna go through it together and I'll kind of teach you how to play it. Let's check this out. We'll watch it first. At least half of it. So we're in A minor here, standard boom chuck.
Hey, Mr. Policeman, please don't take the stuff. Cost me too much money and it probably ain't enough.
So this is the same pattern he was just playing at the opening. So we'll check that out again and go through the chord progression.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It wouldn't even weigh a thing, it's hardly worth your time. My luck's been bad, telephone just kept my only dime, and there might be a burglary. Why don't you just go and see? Be alright, be alright, be alright.
I'm gonna stop it there. Cool. Cool. So we're about minute 12 in. We'll come back to that spot. But basically, we just got a basic kind of A minor boom chuck song. So we're going A minor. I'll go through the chords real quick. And then, let's see. Let's play it back, actually. Oh, then to F. Back to A minor, E major, or E7, and then a cool walk up. All right, let's go back to that. So we have A minor, F major 7, A minor, then E. Okay, and then he's also adding this little... Okay, let me show you that. So basically, with that boom chuck on A minor, we're going... So look at that right hand, we're going... Okay, and then he does the same thing over the F. Now sometimes when he does that F, he'll go... kind of give a little bend on there. Let's see if we can catch him do that. Okay, that was the second half. So after that, A minor. Okay, the first time he actually does this little cool walk up on that E, where he goes like a... And that's the best I can hear what he's doing. He's going E. So he's still keeping the E on the chuck part, but he's raising the low E string up first, or open, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, then to the A minor, back to that opening phrase. Okay, the second time he phrases it like that. And that's basically the whole song. He's gonna play that out throughout the whole time. Now, where were we? We were at a minute 12, I think. Let's go back to that spot. Cool. Here you can see he's playing. He's got a nail. He's got a thumbnail. It could be real. It could be fake. It's hard to know. A lot of guys, they would kind of glue cut up ping pong balls on their fingers. And that was kind of like an artificial nail for a lot of guitar players. I tried that once and I hated it. It was really a terrible feeling. So I like these thumb picks. I use Mike, I think they're called Mike Kelly thumb picks, slick picks. I also use the Dunlop ones. I use a bunch of different ones, but sometimes people ask, and they kind of look like this. They're a little rounded. That's the most common one I'm using these days. But let's check out the rest of the song here. There's one of those bends. Okay, it looks like there's a little bridge section here, and there he's going to the G. Okay, so basically it's kind of just a G. Melody's kind of bam to the A minor there. So really, if you guys can, if you catch the chord progression, getting these little melody lines, little licks that people do, it's a lot easier, if you have the chords first. Some little trills.
Take my stuff.
Okay, back to the verse again.
Cost me too much money and it probably ain't.
Let's just watch it out to the end and see if he does any changes here.
Didn't I hear you say it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Nice.
I hope my guitar teacher's not here.
That's funny. Well, that was a great video. Nicely played. That dude is awesome. I'm definitely going to check him out a little bit more. I'd never heard of this guy before. And like I said, someone just sent me this guy's name and asked what I thought about it. So I listened to it and I checked it out and I thought it was really cool. So hopefully you guys liked it too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.